Hey guys, guess what? I got PR from the brand Dojo, and thank you so much Zigazoor for signing me up with them. Can we take a minute to appreciate how cute the box is? And guys, guess what? It matches my Phase-It glitter sparkles that are left over from Disney. Before I get into it, I just want to tell you a bit about Dojo. Dojo is a personal care product made just for kids, aka a spray soap that you can shape and play with. Now let's get into it. Okay. Oh, no way, I got two. Wait. Oh, it says it. Clean ingredients for clean, confident kids. Perfect. Then, hi friend, I'm Sudsy. I'm here to make shower time a piece of cake. And also, it can be a normal soap. It can be like a soap for the shower. You can play with it. And it looks so cool. I can't wait to play with it. And I can't believe they sent me two. Oh, there's a cool little information packet. Oh, cute kit. And it tells you a whole bunch of stuff that you'll need to know. And if you want, you can color on this. Probably use like markers or something. But that's so cool. Now let's get into the good stuff. Okay, let's see which ones we got. Okay. I'm just gonna move the box to the side. I love you, box. I'll keep you. I actually decided to put it right there so you can all see it. But okay, so let's see. The first one we got is grapefruit amberwood. Okay, grapefruit amberwood. So cute. And I think this one's gonna be a white or like a pink. And then the second one, let me slide it out up here. It is spring cotton, and I think this one's gonna be a blue. Okay, but could we please take a minute to just look at how cute the packaging is? Like, who designed this? I love it. 10 out of 10 just for the packaging itself on the box and this. These are so cute, and also I love blue, so this is the best one. Sorry. Okay, let's open it. Ah! Dojo, this is so cute. This is mainly for like the shower and the bath, but I'm not gonna film myself in the bathroom right now, so let's do it on my hands. Yeah, you're supposed to shake it. Oh, there we go. What? Oh, whoa. That's so cool. Oh, then it grows. No way. That's so cool, guys. It smells good. Whoa. Then you can just wash it off. Like, that's awesome. Before we get into the blue one, I just want to tell you how good this smells. It's like, it's not overpowering, but it's like amazing. I love it. Okay, now to the blue one. I love blue, so this one's gonna be good. It is my favorite color. It's always been, it will always be my favorite color. Okay, look how cute this one is. I'm sorry, but this packaging is even cuter. I'm sorry, pink, but I love blue more. Okay. Whoa, this one's so cool. This one's like, it looks like a cloud. Ooh, I need more. I will always need more. At first it just looks like, but then it starts puffing up. It literally looks like silly string, but then a cloud. This one's, oh, try imagining taking a bath with this. Like, real quick, I want to try mixing both of them together. So first, let's do the blue. Ooh, I liked how I did that one. Then the pink. Ooh, it looks like cotton candy. Since I can't film in the shower, my mom gave me permission to write on my mirror. Let's see how it works. Okay. Oh, let me switch hands. That was so weird. Wait, that's better. Okay, now. It's a heart in my name, or at least the M. Okay, now I'm gonna smash it. Oh, whoa. It looks like a slime. I can just imagine how much fun this will be to use in the shower or the bath. Like, it would turn into such a pretty purple. I love the colors. Get it. I'm grabbing it. I was like, I want to add more blue to it. Guys, I made a little flower. And thank you so much, Zigazoor and Dojo, for sending me this. Guys, don't need to go get it. Don't walk. Run. Bye. Make sure you're following me on Zigazoor.